This serves as another testimonial of the endless and relentless efforts of the Nigeria Police Force, and particularly the Intelligence Response Team, the IRT, in the pursuit of justice and apprehension of criminals connected to several forms of crime and general safety of the country. This briefing today will highlight some of the notable achievements carried out by the IRT and their operatives in several coordinated operations. From the previous month up until today, these operatives have followed up on several gun running, drug trafficking cases, and have also rescued kidnapped victims. These operations have led to the recovery of several dangerous firearms and illicit weapons. Today will be, out of the numerous cases they have handled, we'll be highlighting 8 cases. From these 8 cases, 9 suspects were arrested, 7 AK-47 rifles were recovered, 3 pump-action rifles, 2 single-barrel guns, 2 Beretta pistols, 4 locally made fabricated revolver rifles, 6 live cartridges, 4 magazines, 35 rounds of live ammunition of various caliber, and 150 rounds of 7.62 mm ammunition. So like I said, we'll be highlighting 8 cases, but for want of time, I'll be talking about just 6 of them. You have nothing to worry about. We're going to make this text available to us all. First, I would like to talk about the achievements of the IRT in the arrest of one Dum Baya. On October 26, 2025, after extensive intelligence gathering, one Dum Baya male was arrested by operatives of the IRT in Adamawa State at about 8:30 p.m. His arrest led to the recovery of 2 Beretta pistols, 1 live ammunition, and 2 magazines. Investigations revealed that he was to supply the guns to another individual in a border town between Adamawa State and Cameroon, and that he has been in the business of supplying arms for over a year now. Serious efforts are underway to arrest his suppliers, accomplices, and also possible recovery of other arms and ammunition. I would also like to talk about the arrest of 2 notorious arms suppliers, John Maga, male, aged 45, and Ishaya Stephen, male, aged 43. Operatives of the IRT, in an ongoing investigation, arrested John Maga and Ishaya Stephen and recovered from them 1 AK-47 rifle, 1 magazine, 1 pump-action rifle, and 4 live cartridges. Investigations revealed that they supply arms to bandits and one Dum Baya, whom I mentioned in the previous case, who has also been arrested. John Maga, investigation revealed, is a gun fabricator and facilitates the selling of these arms and ammunition. Both suspects have been in the business of selling arms for over 5 years and operate within Adamawa State and the Cameroonian border. Active efforts are underway to apprehend other members of this crime syndicate. The third case I'm going to talk about today is the arrest of suspected illicit drug supplier. On November 2, 2025, at about 4 p.m., operatives of the IRT, in collaboration with the DSS, acting on gathered intelligence, intercepted a vehicle in Kaduna State and arrested one Ifeanyi male, aged 40, and recovered from the vehicle 39 rolls, 4 packets of tramadol, 326 bottles of codeine. You can see them right in front of you there. 52 rolls, 8 sachets of BP injection syrups, 38 rolls, 4 sachets of Hypnos tablets, and 1 roll of Indian hemp. Further investigation revealed that the suspect supplies these illicit drugs to bandits within Kaduna, Katsina, Zamfara, and Sokoto states. The suspect also revealed that he got into this business through another individual who is yet to be apprehended, whom he met in Sokoto State, and who pays him for every successful delivery. Efforts are underway to ensure all elements involved in this crime are apprehended and made to face the wrath of the law. I'll be talking about 3 other cases. Okay, making 7 cases I'll be talking about here. 2 other cases rather, sorry. So like I said earlier, I'll be talking about just 6 out of these 8. We'll give you the text, 2 other cases. So I'll be talking about the arrest of suspected gun runner, also by the IRT. Based on credible intelligence, operatives of IRT traced an alleged gun runner, one Salisu Mohammed, to Brenin Tasaba village in Zumi local government area of Zamfara state. Upon arrest, investigation revealed that he was given an AK-47 rifle, 2 AK-47 magazines, and 32 rounds of 7.62 mm live ammunition by one Naduka male, still at large, but efforts are on to apprehend him. And these items are to be delivered to bandits along Obajana axis of Kogi State. The exhibits were recovered carefully and discreetly concealed in a 50 kg bag of millet. And the suspect further revealed that he has been into gun running for over 10 years. Efforts are on to apprehend other members of this criminal syndicate. The last case I'll be talking about here is a quite interesting one. This driver was coming down to Abuja in his vehicle, and you know how some drivers behave. They don't want to travel with empty vehicles, so they want to pick passengers on the way. So this particular driver named Uchenna Ikpe stopped in Akure to convey some consignments. So he collected all of these consignments, 24 bags of Indian hemp. And it was to just take the consignments, no passenger. The person that gave him the consignment told him that when he gets to Abuja, he should call this number and the person will come and collect it from him. And they paid him 150,000 naira for this. So, based on intelligence, operatives of the IRT intercepted the vehicle. He was arrested. 24 bags of Indian hemp were recovered from him. And his excuse that he doesn't even know what was inside, he didn't know what was inside, he didn't know the person, he didn't know who he was to deliver these items to, will not hold water because there is no ignorance under the law. So he's our suspect. Investigation is ongoing to arrest other members of that syndicate. And once all of these suspects have been arrested, definitely investigation will be concluded. And at the conclusion of investigation, definitely those found culpable are going to be arraigned. They will be charged to court. Gentlemen of the press, like I said at the beginning of the press briefing, we have 8 cases here. I've spoken about 6 of them, and you'll be getting the text for the others. What we are showing you here today is a testament to the fact that the Nigeria Police Force would not idle by. The Nigeria Police Force would not rest on its oars to ensure that every part of the country is safe. Daily, our men go out there. Daily, as I speak to you, the commander of the IRT is not here because he's out on an assignment. I won't be able to disclose details, but when the achievement has been made, we're going to address you. Some other operatives of the IRT are out there, just like we have police officers all over the country, daily going into criminal hideouts to fish out these men of the underworld, to get them arrested, to get them prosecuted, because the Nigeria Police Force, under the 22nd Indigenous Inspector General of Police, IGP Kayode Adeolu Egbetokun, would do everything possible to deliver on its mandate of ensuring that there is total safety, there is total security for Nigerians.
I cannot wait to get that information from you.
New Central àti DNT ti dé. Ṣé o ti gbọ́? Afọlábí tó bá fara ìṣeré màá ní kígẹ̀ yẹn nù ẹ̀.